The next generation 2025 Nissan Navara is due to be unveiled next year and could be in Australian showrooms by the end of 2024 pending any delays. Documents seen by Drive show the first new generation Nissan Navara Ute in a decade is due to roll off the Thailand production line in the middle of 2024. The new Nissan Navara is due about 9 to 12 months behind the vehicle on which it is based and has been developed alongside the new Mitsubishi Triton. Australian showroom arrival timing is yet to be locked in, but if the first vehicles are produced in mid-2024, it could be in local Nissan showrooms by the end of 2024 or in early 2025 pending any delays.